Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, I'm not sure you can hear me. No, hold on. Let me see how this works. Hi, mate.
Alright.
How's it going?
Not too bad. Would it be possible to do the working adventure on Wednesday, Thursday?
1 minute. Let me just close this. So give me 1 minute. hear me alright? Sorry guys. Okay, let's get to it. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit of an issue at the start. Like I said, I'm not at home, so I'm out and I've been doing some work. So, alright, as I was saying, we got H4 break to the upside, not a solid break. Reason being, the high depth been taken out. So obviously that breakout to the upside is a pullback to a daily. The daily's been bare, and I assume that might still be the case after today, depending on how they close. We got a weekly level that we've been rejected off, so that could still hold it. This RBS, which no SBR support become resistant. We had this level mark, this 2 level mark, from the Sunday weekly review, and obviously price break through that, respect of that, come down. The first time we respect that, it didn't close above on the 4 hour, as you can see this week here. Respect of that, come back, respect of this, the level that we marked out. So in here we would have some low time frame set up. In terms of like, okay, so if this is H1 breakout, M30, no, not yet, you would have a lower time for, yeah, M15, M30. Like I said, EG breakout. This was an EG breakout. So now where we at? I mark a recent orange level. Price react that really well actually. Even if you took it here, you had a bit of drawdown. Never hit no stop loss to come back. When price got here, I marked this N1 level. See the N1 level, this green candle here, break the previous low, break. So that was a strong plus. This went down. So eventually, finally went up to there, and what did it give you? Give you a FU candle. Well, engulfing candle that take the high, come to the low, pull back, and enter. That's the confirmation that I mentioned in the group chat. Wait for confirmation, which is a bear breakout. While you come up, you had no bear breakout. So even you enter here, which is just enter from an instant zone with a bit high risk, you still didn't get a stop loss because of here. But then if you enter here, wait for confirmation, enter here, you had a bigger, no drawdown kind of thing, and also more pips. So we're ranging now between these two orange level. What I'm expecting, it's a bit hard to say, because even though H4 has put to the upside here, like I say, it wasn't a, to me it's not a comfortable breakout. It's not easy breakout, so it's not ideal for me. So but right now H1 is buy, and I can only go by hit once in a moment, but price has been between here at the moment, and we can check any news. Any news for today? Not much news today. Or orange and yellow. Tomorrow, look like this week's gonna be a bit quiet to the end of the week. PMI, unemployment claim. Okay, so that's that. I don't even know what. There's not even really a good setup to look at the moment. To be fair, I mean, we just obviously these two levels is ranging back and forth. Look, back and forth. So we can either, sell the high and buy the low. So even that at the moment I can't see no low risk setup, no any kind of time frame setup. So not really much action, you know. I had a sell here earlier, which was nice. Why did I have a sell? This sell for me after the confirmation. Reason being, where did it come to here? Last push down. Very good breakdown. Like you look at a EG breakout, and what time was that? 2 o'clock. So what time? 2 o'clock. Asian market, yeah. Tokyo, Shanghai, and before that, the same level here. What time is that? 2 o'clock. Look at the bottom here. 2 o'clock, the last push down. This last push down. So the Asian boys been holding this level quite a while. This is another thing that I tend to look at. You know, when the run happened or the the leg happened, the trend happened, the run itself. What time did it happen? Where did it happen? You know, so what level is what time, things like that. So give me a good understanding of who's making that move. You know, so obviously the Asia boys, Asia Bank and Tokyo and Shanghai is going to defend that move. Last time they were here, they defended. Not sure previous time before. What time is this? Okay, even here, previous time Asia was here as well. So they've been defending this level here for a while. So will they defend it third time? 1, 2. Now let's see if they defend it third time. Overall, like I said on the weekly review, that we're bearish and we're looking for this price down here for now. Next target, all being the daily bear. You know, daily still bear at that moment. But obviously, like I said again, we're intraday trader, so we just for H4 and H1 setup. So look like it's gonna be a boring one. I think it might be gonna be we have an issue with going live this week or the next 2 weeks because I'm away. Normally have like a full screen in my office so I can make it easy and the sound's easier now. But I should be alright. I'm just trying to figure it out somehow. I'm not sure how this live stream is alright, like if the voice is alright and whatnot. So I'll find out when I want to play it and when I rewatch it again. Going forward, don't know if Asia can hold this. I mean, like Asia's been holding this for a while, but we're not in Asia time frame now. And to be fair, there's no news, so London and New York can score, keep going ahead. But just up and down here, this 2 level. At the moment, it's going between these 2 orange level. Let's see if we break out or not. If we break out there, where's the next level we look at? If we break out to the upside, I do like this level. What's on that level? This level is just probably liquidity. There's nothing here, not good. So if they want to take out previous high and liquidity, then 1 minute. Okay guys, sorry about that. Just had a busy call. Yeah, I'm not expecting to do much movement today. Being Monday as well, so I'm not going for low risk setup. Like I said, I might think about a sell here. Just because actually I'm not really sure. But the breakout's not that best. But if all this liquidity could be taken out. But we just depend where you break out and then low risk setup. Right now, I'm more favor of the lowest, the bear side. But we have got a few weeks here. Let's see what price is doing then. So it's just stuck in this. We're talking about low time frame range. It's just stuck in this way in the moment. Price is stuck in this way here. Sideways, so between these two orange level. Probably 1 or 2 o'clock we might get a bit more volume, but at the moment I can't see much volume. I can just see bouncing side to side. And if we break to the upside, I'm expecting all this liquidity to be taken out and then go to this level. If not, it's going to be this 2 level for now. I can't see do anything else at the moment. Not expecting a big push. Let's try and see how many pips do you do in Asia? So Asia did 245. So done about 400 pip. Yeah, about 400 pip, over 400 pip. London then another 400 pip up to the upside. This is where London, well, end of Asia, London. Okay. So done quite a bit of run already. So let's see. But for me, I'm not gonna be. If we get to this deep end and it show me a bear breakout, then I might take a scalp sell. Same with here. Come to this deep end, show me a buy breakout, then I might do a scalp buy, but nothing as in like low risk setup. Oranda though is a bit different. Let's look at Oranda. Let's see what I can play. Oranda's already done a buy breakout. H1 pullback confirmation, low risk, buy. H4 do new breakout. H1 breakout, low risk. H4 breakout, pullback confirmation, low risk. Okay. So it's a bit contradicting in terms of Oranda and Saxo with the H4 time frame. A big difference actually, because in Oranda you see that it's already done a low risk setup from here, and then here, but this breakout is not the best. They didn't break the high, but nevertheless it did a pullback confirmation, and I think that's why it just gone sideways, rejected this level. H4 level 2. So in term of under daily, let's see a daily. Okay. So we are kind of like an origin of the breakout here, but that's why there's not fresh no more. Weekly, where's the weekly range? Okay. If I want to do a breakout to the upside on daily, we get a pullback on the daily to the weekly. Then we can see that going up this kind of level for any kind of like for roadblock kind of thing on that time frame. And that's the same level that I got marked, I think 310 on Rwanda. Oh no, what's it? Oh, this is H1. H4 310 is up here. Look at daily. Yeah, 310 ish. But obviously Oranda, I mean Saxo is more the same as more similar to into the 4 hour into the futures gold, so that's why I tend to stick with Oranda. So looking to migrate to futures soon. Yeah, sorry guys, can't see no setup at the moment. Like I said, if I see any when price get really deep up here, look for bear breakout, then I might do a scalp of 20-30 pips. The same go for down here, 10, 20-30 pips. So, and if you break this, then I'm looking to come down here. Break this, I'm looking to take all this liquidity and come to here. That's the plan for now. I can't see. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna. This could be a short one now because I can't see the market moving much, and I don't want to be sitting here moving much, looking at a chart moving like hardly moving at all. So especially when I'm away as well, I do more useful time. So uh, there's my group chat, so I can post on there if I see anything come up if I look at chart. So if you haven't already joined my group chat on Telegram for the free group, then join that. Then you can get the update post. Until then, probably go live tomorrow again. Hopefully, it'll be better than today because, like I said, I got my laptop and I got one screen. So, but yeah, hope you all have a good day and stay safe.